Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I ask one question. Anyone who translates Khatam as the last, what is your fatwa on that person?
Allahu Akbar.
What is your fatwa on that person? You must give this fatwa now. You raised this point against us. Anyone who translates Khatam as the last, what is your fatwa on that? If you don't answer, then you lose this point. Number two, Kadhabun, Dajjalun. The Prophet said 30 people, 30 liars will come after me. And every single one of them will claim to be a prophet. Why are they Kadhabun and Dajjalun? Because they are claiming to be prophets. Rasulullah is giving reason. They are claiming to be prophets after me. That's why they are Kadhabun and Dajjalun. Rasulullah repeatedly said, there is no prophet after me. He said, oh Ali, you are to me like Harun was to Musa. But remember, there is no prophet after me. Out. Period. No option left. The Prophet said, if there was a prophet after me, it would have been Umar. Subhanallah. What more do you need? So you want us to leave all of this and then follow the claims of a man born in the 19th century who claimed to be a prophet. You are defending a man tonight who claimed to be a prophet, who claimed to be Nabi. We don't care what type. We do not care. Anyone who claims to be a Nabi is a kafir. Anyone who claims to be a Nabi after Muhammad Rasulullah, Isa alayhi salam came before. He came before Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Anyone who comes after Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and claims to be a Nabi, he is a kafir. Anyone who believes in him is also a kafir, because you're going against so many statements of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You said Khatam, anyone, your own prophet, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, translated Khatam as the last. Go on, reject it. If you have any courage tonight, reject it. He is the one who translated this word as the last. Okay? And if that's the case, why are you using that against us? Why are you being disingenuous? Over to you.